In today's video, we'll learn how to export Telegram chat history easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, you need to go ahead and install first the Telegram desktop app version for this. So you could simply head on to your Chrome web store in there and search for Telegram download, or you could search this onto the different stores that you have to go ahead and install it onto your device. Once you have completely installed this, just make sure to log in first onto your account. And once you're already logged in, just chosen the conversation that you want to export. So for example, I have this one, rescue drone update. So I'm just going to click onto this one. Then right after, here onto the upper part of the screen, we have these three dots. If you click onto these three dots, there should be a lot of options to choose from. We have here the export chat history. Click onto that one. And then right after, it will ask you for the chat export settings. You could choose for photos, videos, voice message, or anything in here. So just choose which one applies. So for me on my end, I'm gonna choose in here the photos. So you could also choose the limit for that. And there is also a format and the path where you should be able to find in the exported file. So you'll just need to click onto export to proceed. And then right after, you'll just need to wait for this. So for security reasons, you'll be able to begin downloading your data in 24 hours. So you'll just need to wait for this one since you'll receive a notification once this is already done. So just simply click onto OK, and once that one is already done, you should be able to find that one in onto your device onto the location path. And that is how easy you could go ahead and export Telegram chat history on your device. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.